In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your font in Windows 11. To do it, you can follow these steps. Just note that changing the system font in Windows 11 involves modifying the registry, as it's important to proceed with caution and back up your registry before making any changes. Firstly, open the Settings app by pressing Windows +I keys and navigate to Personalization and then Fonts. Browse the list of available fonts and choose the one you like. Just note down its exact name. Next, open Notepad and copy and paste the following code into Notepad, replacing your font name with the exact name of the font you choose. I'll leave you the code in the description. Go to File, Save As, and change the Save As type drop-down to All Files, and save the files with .reg extension. For example, changefont.reg. Next, locate the file you just created, double-click on the file, and confirm that you want to continue by clicking Yes again if you face the security prompt. Restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.